morning, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little short video on something that I've been using a while ago. I think 2 years. I think it marks 2 years right now. And I'm talking about my hooded dryer. This thing is so old, but I wanted to see how my hair responds. Like I did a fresh wash, co-wash with conditioner and all that kind of stuff. I didn't do the sides because I'm gonna shave the sides after this, but I want to see how my hair is responding and how it turns out with a hooded dryer. So I hope it turns out good. So actually this hooded dryer is a little bit damaged, but it still works, and I'm going to on 250, 500. I'm gonna die when I put a 500, so I think I'm gonna sit on the hooded dryer for half an hour or so. Oh my goodness. This is why I'm not using the hood dryer. It's so hot. Ik kan niet, man. En hoe lang ben ik er onder? Sinds 10 minuten. Pray for me. Hey y'all, so my hair is now 80% dry, and I stopped sitting under the hooded dryer because the thing is so hot. So I'm gonna finish it with my blow dryer, but I think my hair is different. Yeah, I think it's different. I think it's more defined. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna unravel these twist. Yeah, it's more defined. It's more defined with a hooded dryer. Yeah, it's more defined. I like it, but I can't sit under the hooded dryer. It's too hot for me. But it's really, the outcome is really nice. So okay, I'm gonna do this off camera and get back to you later with the end results. Okay, curls, come through, come through. I like this. Yeah, I like this. Hey, so in order to create a nice fade, it's important to have a good clipper. I'm using the one from the brand Wall. So I'm starting off by creating a guideline. I'm using the red clipper. That's the number 1, so that's the shortest one. Using it in an upwards motion to create my line, and in a downwards motion to create my fade. That's how I've been doing it ever since I've been cutting, so that works for me, and I hope it works for you as well. So an upwards motion to create your guideline, downwards motion to create your fade. Shorter clipper where I can create my lines. I'm also creating some stripes on the sides. I'm loving the edge kind of taper cut right now, and then I'm gonna use a blade where I'm cleaning up the lines so that it will be really tight and really